So today we are going to learn how to draw a parabola when when directrix is given and its distance from a focus is given. As shown here, the distance of focus from a given directrix is 60 mm. So in first step, we should draw a directrix AB. Here the length of directrix is not given. If it is given, then we should draw in as per scale. But if it is not given, we can take any value. So in first step, we are going to draw directrix AB, and then we should draw OC, which would be perpendicular to OA. Then OC will become axis of this parabola. So let's do this construction. In second step, we should locate focus. Here focus is given, that is OF is given. That means distance of focus from directrix is given, which is 60 mm. So this is focus and OF is 60 mm. Now in second step, in next step, we should we should bisect OF to get midpoint, which is a vertex of the parabola. So to get the vertex of the parabola, we should bisect OF. So let me bisect OF. this is vertex, which is midpoint of OF. So in next step, we should draw any number of lines that should be right to vertex and it should be parallel to AB. You can draw any number of lines. For me, I will be drawing only six lines. So if you increase the number of lines, that means you'll get a much more number of points to be connected and you'll get more smoother curve. But at the same time, you should compromise your time as well. So you should decide how many lines you should draw or how many points you should get to draw a parabola. For me, I'm going to draw only six lines. And distance between these lines, these construction lines, is not important here. Now in next step, we should draw some arcs with F as a center and distance between line 1, this line 1, and directrix as a radius. And we should draw arcs on both sides as shown in figure. And we should repeat the same thing for 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. One, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So with F as a center and first and O1 as a radius. F as a center and O1 as a radius. Now O2 as a radius. Again F as a center. Center should always be F. We got arc in line 2. Now O3 as a radius. Again F as a center. Now this arc intersect line 3. Now again O4 as a radius and F as a center. Now O5 as a radius. Again F as a center. and finally O6 as a radius and F as a center. Here I have constructed only 6 lines as a construction, so I will get only 6 points. But if you have constructed uh, more than 6 lines, then you will have more than 6 points. Okay, now finally, and okay, now we should join all these point of intersection to get our parabola. Let's join with free hand. Normally, you should join with free hand, or you can use French curve.